we are on this roof. It may get familiar to you guys. This is their kitchen AC. It is not working. Fans are on. I haven't looked at the code yet, but I'm guessing it's probably 3 flashes and 4 flashes for high pressure. Probably went out yesterday. AC. Probably doesn't look as bad on the camera. There's quite a bit of dirt in there. And then there's this one. Extremely dirty. This is why you should clean coils. Probably more important for restaurants to have the ACs clean regularly. Nope, there is a compressor running. That one's a lot smaller. Where's that other one? A 38? Oh, they're both 38. Alright, what's the code? 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty sure that's stage 2. 4 flashes, high pressure, safety 2. Compressor lockout. Makes sense for what the coils look like. And I figure that's what it is. I'm going to close off the coils. Oh, it already has one. Even better. Yep. If you replace it, you should probably clean it off the roof. This hose sucks. That's why this thing's there. It's hiding a big hole in it. I don't know where the big hole is. Nope, I think it's not. That's somebody's fix for the hole in the hose instead of replacing it. That's a pretty big one. So I'm going to clean it off and then reset it and turn it on. Let it run. Do that. See if there's any wasps that come out of there. Let's see, how dirty is it? I'd say that's pretty dirty. Looks like mud. Alright, cleaning it off, resetting it. Okay, so paying attention to this. There is, on that line, a bunch of oil. It could mean nothing. It could mean something. I was looking at this. 7/7/23. I don't know what the date is, 8/16 now. A little over a month ago they changed that out, but didn't bother to clean the coil. Seriously. So the maintenance people get paid really good for this, and it irritates me that they don't do what they are getting paid to do. That irritates me, but at the same time, I should be thanking them because it brings in a lot of business, and I make a lot of money for hosing out a coil. I don't know. But stage 2 may have an issue, even though it was replaced a little over a month ago. Let's check filters. 6823. Makes me wonder if the compressor even needed to be replaced. I'm not sure what's going on with that company. But that's it. It's hosed out. I'm just waiting for it to turn on. I'll make sure I reset this. I'm sure it's reset. Yep. It's just delayed waiting. But you should clean your coils. Turn them off. Hose down your coils. Get them clean before every summer, and that'll help. It'll help a lot. It helps keep it cool, helps it breathe. And it may save you some money having to call a service person out.